I use a filter, a B&W filter on all my lenses, not because I'm necessarily trying to protect it from scratches or dropping it and things, but more because if I'm cleaning the lens, I'd rather clean the filter, and also always getting like dust onto the actual filter itself, and if you're near the beach, salt and things, and I just use it for that. But they are expensive, there's no doubt about it, but sometimes you have to pay for a good bit of glass. So the question is, does it make any difference to the image? Well, I'm glad you asked, because we're going to find out. On the left, we are pure, we are naked. It is one of the most sharpest lenses for the system, the Sony Zeiss 55mm f1.8, and we are at 5.6. On the right, same. However, we've got that B&W filter on there. Now, it's not marketed as a UV filter, it's marketed as a protective filter. Link in the description. Let's have a little peep, shall we? Boom. Yeah, you knew, didn't you? Of course it doesn't. Makes no difference at all. There is absolutely no difference between those two photos. You're probably on a phone. If you are, link in the description, you can download the full size files. Yeah, I'm looking, I'm staring, left to right, right to left, nada. However, what about ND filters? Now, the one I'm using is a Hoya. It's not very expensive actually, it's about £30. So let's see if that makes any difference to the image. It might look a bit darker, but I've tried to get the exposures about as good as I can. We might be able to go a little bit up just to see if it does pull any difference. Okay. Let's have a peep. Little peep about. No, I can't. Well, maybe an absolute slight bit. I mean, it's hard to say. You download the full size files and let me know what you think. Yeah, you know, it is maybe a bit sharper without the ND actually. Now I'm doing a bit more staring now, but honestly not by enough that you'd particularly care about it. It's just, I've got one other that we did with ND. Let's just go to that 1 second, see what we make of it. And yeah, okay, so the ND filter, the cheap ND filter, is making a very slight difference, whereas the expensive protector filter, B&W, is making, yeah, no difference whatsoever. So I guess that goes to show, guys, you got to spend the monies. There you go. As usual, it's been emotional.